Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Node.js. One of my subscriber asked me about the sign out API with Firebase authentication in Node.js. So today I'm going to implement that part or just going to show you the snippets of the sign out, how we are going to make that sign out process in the Node.js using the Firebase authentication. So here we go with that one. So here I'm going to just add the method that is called sign out method, right? And here I'm just passing the auth also. So about this function I have written on the function here. So you can see that sign out. So here I'm just use the current auth.current user. You will get the current authentication of the user. If it is true, then it will sign out, and you will print it out like just console.log user has been successfully logged out. Or if there is any error, then you can log the error also. And if and also you can print the status, that the status is the failure and user is logged out already or something like that. So this how you can manage the Firebase sign out. So basically the main funda is that the Firebase Auth.signOut function is used for sign out the user from the Firebase. So you can use this function to sign out the user, and hope it will work well. So you can check it out this function, and any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.